Like most of the platform, the Technical Analysis page really starts on the Stock Screener page. From the Stock Screener page, either click a ticker from the randomly selected section or enter one in the search bar. Do your quick review of the company. Then click the Technical Analysis Quick Link button, or use the top navigation to get to the Technical Analysis page. Notice the ticker symbol carries over from the Stock Screener page, and the data automatically loads. That's intentional. It keeps you focused on the same company as you move through your research. After the data loads, the first thing you'll see is the summary card at the top, with the company name, ticker, the current price, and the analysis date. Just below that is a row of quick action buttons, and I want to walk through these because a couple of them are the most powerful tools on the page. The first button is AI Analysis. Click it, and you'll get a plain language summary of what all these indicators are actually saying, written in normal English, not chart jargon. If you're newer to technical analysis, this is a great way to get your bearings before you dig into the individual charts. There's a timestamp and a refresh link, so you can pull a fresh read whenever you want. Next is Add to Watch List. If you like what you're seeing, one click adds the stock to your watch list. If you check your watch list, you will see that the new ticker has been added with the current price and the price you started watching the stock. Stock Details takes you back to the Stocks page for this same ticker. DCF Valuation takes you straight to the Discounted Cash Flow page and loads sector-specific defaults. But before you click that, I'd suggest clicking the Financial Summary button first, and I'll come back to why in a minute. The last button, Advanced Indicators, just drops you down to the Advanced section further down the page. Now, back to the summary. Below the buttons is the overall outlook, bullish, bearish, or neutral, with a short explanation of how the platform arrived at it. On the right side of that box, you'll see the technical range, shown as a support to resistance range. I want to be clear about what this is. It's a range derived from the indicators on this page. It is not a price target, and it's not a prediction. Think of it as the zone the technicals are pointing to right now. Let's come back to that Financial Summary button, because it's been expanded a lot. When you click it, a panel opens with key financial data pulled directly from the company's SEC filings, updated daily. You'll see valuation ratios like PE, PEG, and EV/EBITDA, profitability numbers like revenue and margins, ROE and ROA, the company's financial health, cash, debt, equity, and liquidity ratios, and its cash flow, including free cash flow. There's also a quarterly trend table so you can see how revenue, margins, and earnings have moved over recent quarters. At the bottom of this panel is the part I really want you to see, the derived DCF inputs from actuals. These are growth rate, estimated WACC, and trailing free cash flow, calculated from the company's real numbers instead of generic sector assumptions. And there's a link, Open DCF Valuation with these inputs, that carries all of those values straight into the DCF page for you. That's how you get a valuation grounded in the company's actual financials rather than sector defaults. It's a powerful shortcut. Now let's scroll down and look at how the outlook was actually built. The first box is trading signals. Each card summarizes what one indicator is concluding and whether it's bullish, bearish, or neutral. Two things to know here. First, the cards with the teal border are the ones that are scored into the overall outlook, and the trend indicators count double. The cards without a border, things like ROC, the AD line, Keltner, and Donchian channels, are there for context and don't affect the score. Second, every one of these cards is clickable. Click a signal, and the page jumps you straight to that indicator's chart further down, opening the right category if it needs to. It's a fast way to go from "what does this signal mean" to "show me the chart." Speaking of charts, every chart on the platform is interactive. You can click any series name in the legend to add or remove that line from the chart. And each chart has a description explaining what it shows, what it's used for, and what to look for in terms of a bullish or bearish read. The first chart is Bollinger Bands and volume. This gives you a quick view of price against its volatility bands with volume underneath. Keep an eye on the squeeze. When the bands pull in tight, volatility is contracting, and a breakout often follows. You'll actually see a squeeze badge on the Bollinger Band summary card below that tells you whether a squeeze is on right now or recently fired. Below the main chart are 3 summary cards side by side: moving averages, Bollinger Bands with that squeeze badge, and Keltner channels, each with the current values and a short description. Next is the moving averages chart, and this one has a feature I really like. Along with the 20-day and 50-day lines and the golden cross and death cross signals, there's a draw trend line tool in the top corner. Click it. Click your first point on the chart. Then click your second point, and it draws your line right on the chart. It's great for marking your own support, resistance, or trend lines. There's a clear button to wipe them when you're done. Then you've got the RSI chart and the MACD chart, each with the current reading and a plain language description.
Finally, we get to the Advanced Indicators section.
These are organized into 4 categories: volume, momentum, volatility, and trend. Click any category button to expand it, and you'll find the summary cards and charts for that group, each with its own on-screen description. I'm not going to walk through every one here. I'll be covering how to actually use these charts in the Investment Styles series, but this is where you'll find them whenever you're ready to go deeper. One last thing. At the top of the page, there's a new search button. Click it any time to clear your results and start fresh with a new ticker. That's the Technical Analysis page. It brings the overall outlook, the individual indicators, the AI summary, and the company's real financials together in one place. And it flows naturally into the DCF valuation page when you're ready to put a value on what you found. I hope this video was helpful.